Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to add Google search bar icon on iPhone home screen. Follow these easy steps to easily add Google search bar or search icon in your iPhone home screen. First of all, we have to install Google app on our iPhone. So go to App Store and search for Google. Now all you have to need install the Google app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, now for example I want to add Google search bar icon in this home screen. So here's I'm tapping and holding on a blank space and now tapping on edit, tapping on search widgets and typing here Google, and here you should see Google. Just open Google and here you will find these two different Google search bar icons. You can select any widget from here. So let's add this widget. Once the widget added, you can drag the widget to change its position. Once done, tap on done and that's it. As you can see, Google search bar icon has been added. Now you can easily search anything using this search bar. Also in this widget you will find voice search option, you will find lens option and incognito. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.